Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2022 and beyond Audi Q5 Sportback with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack, set of 4, the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of the barrel fasteners. Now, these parts have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet, which help in the installation. And I'll demonstrate the installation on one of the feet. So first, we'll remove the outer cover. With that outer cover removed, you can see there is a threaded post. Now, the parts of the fitting kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but also letters. And the letters will help in the order of installation, starting with the inner side rail bracket, which is letter A. And then letter B is the rubber base pad, and that just presses to the underside of the foot. And then letter C is the outer bracket, and that just connects to the upper portion, and then you have the fastener, which will hold those parts in place. Now, the next step would be to install the foot onto the load bar. And here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide the approved hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber in order to mount certain carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. Now we'll take off this end cap, and you see we have a track on the underside of the bar, and within that track there is a measurement device. The numbers here are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to help manually center the load bars on the roof rack. Okay, so now we can go ahead and slide the foot into place, and now it's important to put your end cap back on. That just snaps into place, and that will help to keep the loose foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering it on the vehicle during install. So when it's time to tighten the brackets to the side rail, Thule does provide a tool which is included with the foot pack, and that will tighten not only the side rail brackets to the side rail, but also tighten the foot to the bar simultaneously. Now, this tool has a handle which will click once it's reached full tension. Okay, so now it's tightened to the side rail, and it would be tightened to the bar. Now here you notice there is some track that's still exposed. We want to fill that in with rubber that's included with the load bars, and that will help to maintain the good airflow and aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now we can put the outer cover back on. That will just snap into place. And there's a plastic plug. Just give that a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with one of Thule's same key system lock cylinders. These are sold separately in matched sets, so that you can have not only your base roof rack all key match, but even the carriers and accessories that are part of Thule's one key system can all be locked and unlocked conveniently with the same key number. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options, and consider subscribing to our channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. And if you have any questions about this system in particular, please leave those in the comment section below. We'll get right back to you on that. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.